Damn, you know how hard it is to capture some shit when you can't even see the screen?
That's straight.
Alright, watch your playback.
That's straight.
Woke up this morning and like all the lights just came on. Yeah, chips and boys for breakfast.
You got all these lights that come on. It's crazy. I got every single light on the dash. Traction control, brake, hill assist.
Yeah, A turned into 4. Holy shit.
Everything is on. Even the freaking cruise control is on for no reason. So yeah, this is how the wheel is. Like I think one of the arms is bent, or suspension or something, and then the rim's just messed up. Bad. I even hit the rear. So you see how much angle I got there. If I turn the other way, that's full lock. On this side, I don't get as much angle. That's how bad it is. So this is how it sounds like to drive a crash record.
I don't think you're gonna be able to hear it with that noise.
Yeah, I'm really past it. Look at the steering wheel. Crooked. So I'm driving weird. And you're gonna hear these noises, the speed flash. Because this wheel is crooked because it's bent. Hear it? See? I just trying a little bit. It's yelling. It's like, help me! Look, what? Wow. That's crazy. Once we get more space, I'll show you more. I don't know if you can hear it on video though. Let's see.
It's pretty.
Come on. Look, guys.
Even the guy got scared. Let me get the fuck out of here.
That was too funny. But anyway, that's how it sounds. That's what it's like to drive a fucking crash car. Yeah, you can stop moving.